an energy threshold set by the user. What's using most energy? Shows the energy being consumed by each appliance in terms of units consumed and percentage of energy used per total energy being used. That helps to determine which device is using most energy as compared to others. History, consumption overview, gives the consumption overview of each individual appliance and the total number of units consumed for each calendar month. History, energy trends, shows graphical data to represent the trend of energy consumption for each day, calendar month, or calendar year based on options selected. Timeline shows the change in state of each appliance which is connected to the device. It shows the turn on and turn off timestamps along with which device was turned on off. Edit billing cycle gives the option to set the to and from dates for the billing cycle which you want to view in your app. Set sanctioned load allows you to set a limit of load that you do not want to cross. This setting is reflected in power usage. This is your energy meter sanction load value. Set energy usage limit allows you to set a limit of total energy being consumed per month. This setting is reflected in energy usage. Device warranty helps store the invoices and warranty of your devices in the app. It allows you to take picture in app itself. Raise service request helps raise queries and service requests for N-Track and set the date and location for the service request. Share this device allows you to add your family members or friends to use N-Track in your home. Rename the device allows user to rename your N-Track device. Factory reset allows user to reset your N-Track device. This operation will delete all the previous data for the user. Havells Sync support, an inbuilt chat bot that provides solutions to basic queries and other FAQs along with the privacy policy, terms of use, etc. It also gives the contact details for Havells phone support and WhatsApp chat support.